So we have a question. If x plus 1 by x is equal to root 2, we need to find the value of x raised to power 33 plus 1 upon x raised to power 33. Okay. So whatever will be the power, how do we solve these questions? See, what is the method? We have x plus 1 by x is equal to root 2. If we do squaring both sides, if we square both sides, what we will get? We will get x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x is equal to 2. Okay. So we will get x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to 2. And then we will get x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 0. Okay. Or we can say that x raised to power 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x raised to power 4 is equal to minus 1. Okay. So now we have x raised to power 33 plus 1 upon x raised to power 33. So can we write it as x raised to power 32 into x plus 1 upon x raised to power 32 into x. Okay. So why we are writing it as x raised to power 32? Whatever we will get here, we will express this term in that power. So how? X raised to power 4 into 8, we can write it as like this. X raised to power 4 raised to power 8. Okay. So x raised to power 4 is minus 1. So minus 1 raised to power 8 into x plus minus 1 raised to power 8 into x. Minus 1 raised to power 8 is 1 only. We got x plus 1 by x, and x plus 1 by x is under root 2. So this is the answer, that x raised to power 33. So whatever power we will get, we will just express this term in those multiples. Okay. So I hope you understood this topic. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.